Hello, I'm Christina Gingery, and I'm part of Spindle's customer success team. In this video, we're going to focus on the team status page because we have found it to be a beneficial tool to help drive coaching between supervisor and production employee. Because you can't be everywhere at once, the team status page gives you a real-time view of every 5-minute and daily efficiency throughout your plant. Now let's take a look at the team status page on SpindleLIVE. You can navigate to this page by using the 4-square navigation. You will see the active and inactive employees, but we typically focus on the active employees because we can make an immediate impact. Notice there are several different filters and selections to choose from. We have a few favorites, including the status buttons, department, and efficiency filters. If you're having an issue in the ironing department, then you can use this filter and choose that department. This will filter out only those that are currently there. If you want to focus on your employees that are in the red for the day, you can click here to see all of the greatest opportunities based on efficiency. You are then able to coach or move employees appropriately. Now for some best practices. We recommend using the team status page at the end of lunch and break by using these buttons to show you if anyone remains in that status. Also, supervisors should view this as frequently as needed for their departments in order to monitor employee productivity when unable to be on the production floor. If you like this video, we'd encourage you to click the like button and subscribe to our Spindle YouTube channel. Remember, you can always reach us at support@SpindleLIVE.com with any questions or concerns. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.